Wake up to the refreshing morning breeze and embrace the tranquil panorama of the reservoir stretching towards the outer sea from this unit. Hello there, this is Jasper Ho from OrangeTee AAG Media. Welcome to another episode of my home tour video. The 165 two-bedrooms unit at Whistler Grand in District 5 offers a compact yet functional living space of a 603 square feet, catering to a diverse lifestyle preference.
This two-bedroom butterfly layout is facing opposite one another and can easily accommodate a queen-size bed with a built-in wardrobe for storage solutions, keeping belongings organized and maximizing floor space. The bathroom exudes sophistication and luxury, featuring wares and fittings from renowned brands like Duravit and Grove. The open concept kitchen boasts an impeccable design with the inclusion of white marble wall tiles, along with a compressed quartz countertop, offer durability and a sleek appearance, complemented by top-notch Bosch appliances, including a hood, hob, built-in oven, and washer-dryer. The balcony faces southward, gracing its premium stack with its reservoir view. It beckons as a haven, embracing the distant sea allure. With the recommendations of the zip track installed, it transforms into a snug sanctuary where rain or shine, one can bask in the mesmerizing panorama, offering a view that is truly priceless. Whistler Grand residences are treated to a wealth of 60 leisure facilities spread across 6 clubs. The arrival lobby lounge, just beside the concierge counter linking to the wellness club, is a cantilever gym overlooking the lead pool. The Club Gourmet, a gathering spot where friends and family unite over delectable cuisine, savouring every bite as you embark on a culinary journey like no other. The Adventure Club, mainly for kids play, pool and toddlers playground, where the water slide and aqua swing will keep the children intriguing the whole day. Not forgetting the Sky Club at level 24 for sky dining and a landscape lounge. The Star Club, located at level 30, a dedicated astronomy observation deck that lets you gaze into the night sky. Immerse yourself in the bustle of the city's most significant commercial hub. Outside of the central business district, wine and dine at GEM, Westgate and IMM. Wind down your evenings at Pandan Reservoir or West Coast Park. Enjoy easy connectivity to some of the most established educational institutions such as Nanhua Primary School, Nanyang Polytechnic and National University of Singapore. Last but not least, get to the key locals such as International Business Park, Fusionopolis, and Mapletree Business City seamlessly within minutes. Be it business and entertainment hotspots, schools, or green spaces, find yourself within reach of all that matters to you.
Living in Whistler Grand is the attention to details that makes a difference with dedicated resident hosts, services attending to your lifestyle requirements. Experience customized luxuries within the elegant comforts of your residence. Reach out to me for an exclusive viewing or to have your home featured next. Jasper once again, signing off here, and have a blessed day.